Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 337. Check night tour configuration. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. I think this problem is pretty straightforward in terms of understanding, and by that I just mean like algorithmically. So I don't think there's anything algorithmic complexity here. So I'm just going to jump into the code and kind of how I implemented it. There are a couple of ways you can implement it, but this is the way that I did it. The one edge case that I did not consider, I think this is something that Leetcode contest have been moving toward lately, and I don't really agree with it, but fine, right? But basically, it used to be that Leetcode problems kind of focus on the algorithm and the problem solving instead of edge case hunting. But recently there have been a lot of just like edge case stuff, and I really have to be more careful. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. The problems are adapting, and I have to adapt instead of complaining about it. But the edge case that got me was that it has to start at the top left cell of the board, and that actually took me about like 4 minutes to debug because I was just very confused. But yeah, once I got that, it was pretty straightforward, and actually it was my longest problem. It took me 6 minutes to solve as a result. So yeah, so this is my code. Check that we start on the upper left, it's there. Otherwise, I just go through the array and then put, or go through the matrix and then put it in an array so that we can kind of go from 0 to 1 to, dot, dot, dot. The way that I did it is just looking up JSON elements and then see if dx and dy is a possible move, and if it's not, then we turn false, otherwise we turn true. And this is the direction for all the night stuff. This part is the only part that I'm like, maybe I could have cleaned it up, would be a little bit better. You could probably also like do some math on this, but I didn't really want to risk. I don't know. I to be honest, now that I'm talking about it, I don't know which way would have been better, because you can have also written something like, maybe you convert this to absolute, right? And then in that case, but I wasn't sure, like during the contest I wasn't really sure, and then you have something like this, right? Maybe that's a little bit faster to write, because though that said, I think some of the trickiness is that I got a wrong answer, right, from this edge case. If I didn't have this wrong answer, I wouldn't have cared that much. But because and even though it's unrelated on the surface, because I got this wrong answer and I didn't know how to or I didn't think that it was this case, because I just didn't read that correctly, to be honest. I thought that maybe I have a typo here, where if I had just written it this way, maybe I give it a little bit more thought, but it's easier to debug if I had something like this, right? I think that's basically where I kind of caught some issue on having, when I say suboptimal, I just mean in terms of like debugging and cleanliness and stuff like that, right? Where this would have been much easier to debug when I mean, I would have looked at this and been like, I don't see it, and then maybe get to this part more quickly, right? Let me just give it a submit as well then. Why not? Yeah. But anyway, what is the complexity, right? This is going to be linear time, linear space. Can't really do much faster than that, because you have to look at every cell. So we look at every cell here, and it's linear space in the size of the input, remember? And the size of the input is n squared, so it's O of n squared, but linear time and space. Yeah. Knowing that this is an array, and here we just look through the array, pretty quickly, and this does O of 1 operations. So yeah. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if the trick case got you and how long it took you to debug in the comments. That's all I have for this one. You could watch me solve it live during the contest now. I mean, I don't know, YOLO Summit. It could very easily be wrong just because it's so... You could read it in both directions. What a terrible problem. Okay. Am I just... What's about configuration? Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay. Okay. I guess n is whatever. N times n. I wonder how to do this. Okay, that's good. Okay. I know I could write it with for loop, but I think I like it this way better. Just because, I don't know, all habits, I think. Oh, this is pretty slow, no? And error prone because I almost made a mistake a couple times. Huh, did I misunderstood this problem? That sucks. I'll put true, but it should be false. Why is it false? Did I misunderstood this one? I mean, I don't know how to debug this actually. This is so silly. Probably a silly mistake somewhere, or maybe my type. I guess this could be thing. No, I mean, I don't think so. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. I don't get it. So what is... This looks true. Why am I expected false? I actually don't know. Did I mess this up? This is the only place that could be messy. Possibly. Well, maybe this, I guess. I don't get it. How many people got this way? 67? I mean, I should have gotten this right. Am I missing something obvious? Look, I had it in paste, but if we're doing true, but it should be false. Oh, top left. Oh no. Oh, that is brutal. Oh man. Oh, that is brutal. That is brutal. Oh my god, that is brutal. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, and the explanation, anything in between. You know how it goes. Yeah, so stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.